If you have an online store, you must be familiar with the cart abandonment problem. It is something when a customer proceeds to buy your product, adds it to the cart, but does not complete the order. It could be due to various reasons like a phone call maybe or some daily distraction, and the product remains abandoned in the cart. These are the unfinished purchases that are highly likely to get converted only if you can find a way to send some gentle reminders to these customers. And in this video, we're going to talk about a free plugin which helps you solve this problem. This plugin helps you reclaim your lost sales due to cart abandonment problem in just few simple steps. So let's take a look. I'm here on my WordPress dashboard. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the plugins, click add new plugin, and search for cart abandonment. The first result here is WooCommerce Cart Abandonment Recovery by Cartflows Inc. If you're using WooCommerce for a long time, then you must be familiar with the name Cartflows. This plugin is also developed by Cartflows Inc. And click install now. Here you can see so far as I'm recording this video, more than 200,000 people have already installed this plugin, and we have 447 reviews, and the rating is 5-star, which is pretty amazing thing. And you'll see why. So click activate. And that's it. The first step is done. We have installed and activated the plugin. Now that we've installed the plugin, we're going to do some basic setup. Click on settings, and it's going to take you to the reports page. In my case, the numbers are 0 because it's a demo site, but in your case, I'm pretty sure that there are going to be some exciting numbers. First, you have recoverable orders, which shows the number of orders that are abandoned in the cart and that can be recovered. Then you have orders recovered. As you keep using this product, definitely you're going to have some orders which are recovered. And then you have lost orders, the orders which are lost. You also have the numbers in terms of revenue. As you keep using this plugin, you're going to have some exciting numbers here. The most important thing we're going to do is on this tab, follow-up emails. Here we're going to set up reminders to our customers who are unable to finish the purchase. This plugin is basically a complete automation. It is going to keep track of the buyer's behavior with the product, and it is going to send the emails. Okay, all we have to do is set up the basic reminders and sit back and watch as our lost orders are getting recovered. We have 3 templates here. By default, the templates are off. You can turn them on directly, which I don't suggest. You click edit and personalize the template, and then you turn it on. So template name, you can give it any name. Okay, email subject is going to be purchase issue. This is going to be the subject line visible to your customer. Then you have the email body. This is going to be the content of the reminder that you're going to send to your customer. Okay, so it says hi customer name. Now this is a dynamic value. It is going to fetch the name of the customer that the customer has submitted during the checkout process. And then we're having some trouble processing your recent purchase. You can change it if you like, but I think it's pretty good. You don't have to change anything. And then you have a link, continue your purchase now. Then we have a few options. Use WooCommerce email style. I personally don't want to use that. This is fine for me. Create coupon. Now, this is a thing that I personally like to use during the final reminder email to the customer. You can create coupon from here, and you can do some basic setup related to the coupon. Like you can choose if the discount is going to be a percentage discount or a fixed card discount. Let's just keep it a percentage discount. By default, this is 10, which means customer is going to receive a 10% of additional discount over the card value. Then you have coupon expiry date of 3 hours, which creates a sense of urgency, which says that if the customer can complete the purchase within 3 hours, they can get an additional 10% discount. Since this is our first reminder, I won't like to use any coupon, so I'll just turn it off and send this email after 30 minutes or 60 minutes. You can choose it. Okay, ideally 30 to 60 is a good time. Now that we have done all of our setup, now we'll just simply activate the template now and click update changes. With those few simple steps, we have already created our first reminder. You can activate the remaining templates, okay, or you can do the changes if you'd like to. In my case, as I've told you, I personally like to add an additional coupon to the final reminder. So what I'll do is I'll just go to create coupon. The discount type is percentage discount and the discount amount is 10, which means 10%. The coupon expiry date is 2 hours. Okay, I can make it 24 hours. Coupon expiry date is 24 hours and then click update changes. So what this is going to do is it is going to give an additional reason to the customers to complete the purchase. Okay, so now you can see the email content and that's pretty much it. Click update changes and we have successfully set up all of our 3 reminders. Now you can see the first reminder will be sent to the customer 30 minutes after the product is considered abandoned. The second reminder will be sent 1 day after, and the final reminder will be sent 3 days after the product is considered abandoned. Now, you can also customize when to consider a product abandoned, and we're going to do this in the final tab, which is settings tab. Enable tracking, start capturing abandoned carts. This has to be checked, okay? And cart abandonment cutoff time, 20 minutes, which means 20 minutes after the product was added to the cart, the product will be considered abandoned. You can adjust this time if you think that your checkout process is a little bit complex or lengthy due to certain reasons, and it might take in certain cases up to 20 minutes for the customers to finish the order. You can change it, increase it, let's say 30 minutes. So now the product will be considered abandoned 30 minutes from the time product was initially added to the cart. Disable tracking for, you can disable it for any role you'd like. Let's just disable it for administrator. So let's say our administrator is trying to make a purchase and due to some reason the product remained abandoned in the cart. It won't trigger any reminders or anything as such because it won't be tracking administrator purchase. Then we have exclude email sending for. By default, we have processing and completed order status are excluded from reminder emails, and I'm going to keep it the way it is. Then we have notify recovery to admin. This option will send an email to the admin when an order is recovered. Then you have coupon settings, delete coupons automatically. I'd like to turn it on. I don't want a bunch of unnecessary list of coupons. Then we have email settings. From name, this name will be appear to the sent emails. From address, it's going to be my admin email. Reply to address, the same. Then we have recovery report emails. Yes, of course, I'd like to receive recovery report emails to my admin email. Then we have webhook settings. This is an advanced setting. If you're using any CRM, then this option is going to be really useful for you. Your entire process is going to be much more simpler with the CRM that you're using to manage all your orders. Then we have GDPR settings, General Data Protection Regulation. I'd like to keep it on. I think it's important to let the users know upfront during the checkout process that this data is going to be stored and they'll be reminded if necessary, right? And then finally we have plugin settings. If you enable it, in case if you ever choose to delete this plugin, all the data associated with this plugin will be deleted as well. I don't think you'd be doing it, right? This is a completely free plugin. Also, it does not have any banners, any watermarks or any ads. Like, what's better than that? So click save changes. With this, we are done with our final step as well. And as I've told you, this plugin does its job on its own. So that's pretty much it. All we have to do is sit back and watch this plugin reclaim our lost sales. So go ahead, download this plugin and watch it get more business to your store. I mean, what's better than getting more revenue with a completely free product? So give it a try and you'll never look back. If you find this content helpful, drop a like down there, share this video with your e-commerce buddies and subscribe to this channel to stay connected with us.